New finesse wearing, I need a new jumper. Need a one with 6 O's, that's a new number. Just shot the whip, was on my 12th runner.
We started with payments, cross-border payments, because we felt like that was the highest friction point. But we've always had this grander ambition, and a couple times I've commented that, for me, when I think about Amazon, the company today, it started with just books. It was a bookseller. And I viewed Amazon is to books as Ripple is to cross-border payment. And what I mean by that is we have ambitions beyond just cross-border payments to do payments more broadly, but also to really be that infrastructure, and thus the acquisition of Medico, thus the initiative around Liquidity Hub. We have some other initiatives we're working on, but when we think about that infrastructure layer and we think about, do we build that internally? Ripple is about 1,000 people strong now. Do we build it? Do we buy it, as we've done it with the case of Medico? Or do we partner and integrate?
Solo Scrooge, sending peace and blessings to you all out there. Hashtag Solo Nation. How's it going, my people? Hope everyone's well. Appreciate you all for the love and support of the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. We're giving you updates on Sologenic XRP and Corium. Also hit the like button that helps push the channel through the analytics and helps the channel grow. So one of the partnerships that Ripple has formed is with Uphold, and Uphold posted big news. At Ripple forges new partnership with Uphold to enhance underlying crypto liquidity infrastructure. So Ripple posted press release. Ripple forges new partnership with Uphold to enhance underlying crypto liquidity infrastructure. Ripple, the leader in enterprise blockchain and crypto solutions, has announced a new partnership with Uphold, the global Web3 financial platform. The partnership will see Uphold provide Ripple with enhanced crypto liquidity capabilities to underpin and enhance its cross-border payments infrastructure. Best known for its flagship payments products, Ripple blockchain and crypto enterprise solutions help customers globally to accelerate their business performance and scale by removing the need to pre-fund accounts around the world and freeing up trapped capital. With over 10 years of building blockchain solutions for finance, Ripple is transforming payments with its crypto-enabled enterprise solution that provides the ability to send payments 24/7, 365 days, and near real-time settlement. Pega Soltani, head of payments product at Ripple, said, "Our new partnership with Uphold enables us to enhance our underlying infrastructure, and Uphold's deep liquidity expertise further underpins Ripple's ability to offer fast and flexible cross-border payments around the world. We see this as the start of our relationship and are excited about what the future holds." As a leading Web3 financial platform, Uphold's superior trading architecture makes it easy to move value between fiat and crypto and across networks. Uphold is able to provide access from a wide range of crypto liquidity venues globally, enabling business to seamlessly serve customers and deliver payments. Ripple provides a tremendously valuable service to business making cross-border payments, and we are thrilled to be an essential part of it, said Simon, Chief Executive Officer at Uphold. The Uphold platform features a fully automated high-frequency trading stack connected to 30 underlying trading venues, allowing us to offer deep liquidity, multiple execution paths for transactions, and exceptionally tight spreads. Our partnership with Ripple illustrates how the unique capabilities of our platform can be used by enterprises to make efficient crypto to fiat transfers and bank payouts. Ripple was the first company to address the multi-trillion-dollar pain points associated with cross-border payments, utilizing blockchain and crypto at scale. Through its state-of-the-art infrastructure, Ripple provides a superior end-to-end customer experience in a trusted and transparent way, enabling its clients to track payments in real time and forecast delivery times, underpinned by clear pricing and FX rates. Its product offerings have since grown to address new use cases for business like liquidity management, tokenization, and custody solutions. Today, Ripple serves hundreds of customers in 55 countries and 6 continents, with payout capabilities in more than 70 markets, and has processed 30 billion worth of volume and 20 million transactions since its payments solution was first launched. So Ripple forges new partnership with Uphold to enhance underlying crypto liquidity infrastructure. There's always ways around things. So Sologenic posted, "The XLS-39 proposal has been making waves throughout the XRP community. Should institutions be able to claw back funds from users, or does this go against the pillars of crypto?" So the XRPL clawback feature, a game changer for institutional investors. Some have seen this, but for those who haven't, let's get into this. So the latest buzz in the blockchain community is the proposed clawback feature, which could potentially reshape asset controls on XRPL. While the crypto space eagerly anticipates its inclusion in the upcoming Ripple 1.12.0 release, case, institutional investors are particularly intrigued by the opportunities this new feature could offer. Enhancements made at the protocol level ensure that all stakeholders, whether they're building or utilizing the XRP ledger, automatically benefit from these advanced features. This collective development fortifies the blockchain's robustness. Michael McCaffrey. The RippleX team, Ripple Labs development arm, recently unveiled the XRP clawback feature, aiming to enhance the platform's token asset control capabilities. This innovation feature, known as XLS-39 clawback, empowers developers with heightened trust and safety parameters for their issued assets. The key takeaway here is its ability to reverse transactions under special circumstances, such as fraudulent activities or assisting users who've lost access to their accounts. The XRPL clawback feature might be a game changer for institutional investors, and we provide a few compelling case studies below. Case study 1. Ensuring stablecoin integrity. Institutional investors often deal with stablecoins which represent genuine legal obligations. The XRPL clawback feature can serve as a safety net for stablecoin issuers. For example, consider a stablecoin redeemable by its issuer in cash. If a situation arises where a transaction needs to be reversed due to a security breach or fraud, the clawback feature provides the issuer with the precision required to reclaim lost funds. Unlike the freeze feature, which halts an asset entirely, clawback enables precise claims of fractionalized assets. Case study 2. Mitigating regulatory risk in cross-border transactions. Institutional investors involved in cross-border transactions often face complex regulatory landscapes. Imagine a global investment firm operating in multiple countries, including those with stringent financial regulations. They issue tokens on XRPL to represent various investment products, including digital assets and tokenized securities. The XRPL clawback feature provides a crucial safety net in this scenario. If an unexpected regulatory change occurs in one of the jurisdictions, posing a risk to specific tokenized assets, the issuer can use clawback to selectively reverse transactions involving those assets. The precision allows the firm to ensure compliance with evolving regulations while preserving the integrity of their broader tokenized portfolio. Without the clawback feature, the firm might be forced to freeze all assets, causing substantial disruption and potential financial loss. Case study 3. Enhancing risk management for asset-backed tokens. Institutional investors often deal with asset-backed tokens representing various real-world assets like real estate or commodities. Let's consider a scenario where a large investment fund issues these tokens on XRPL backed by a diverse portfolio of real estate properties. The XRPL clawback feature becomes instrumental in managing risk associated with these asset-backed tokens. If, for instance, there's a significant market downturn and the value of the underlying real estate assets falls below a certain threshold, the issuer can use clawback to selectively recover and reissue tokens. The clawback feature represents a significant leap forward for institutional investors in the blockchain space. Its precision in handling asset control, coupled with its potential to enhance compliance and auditing processes, makes it an attractive proposition. It strikes a balance between flexibility and control, allowing institutions to navigate the crypto landscape with confidence. As Ripple Labs continues to innovate and develop features like clawback, institutional investors have yet another reason to consider XRPL as a platform that caters to their unique needs, especially when backed by the comprehensive solutions offered by Sologenic. Sologenic stands at the forefront of empowering institutional investors within the blockchain ecosystem. As the XRPL introduces the innovative clawback feature, Sologenic's comprehensive solutions come into sharper focus. Learn more at www.sologenic.com. Meet the Sologenic team. Michael McCaffrey. Michael brings a rich history in his capacity as a business development representative of Sologenic. With a distinct knack for advanced growth-centric partnerships, he has consequently played a crucial role in broadening the ecosystem's reach, catering to both retail and institutional audiences. About Sologenic. Sologenic's regulated arm is deploying a platform with a hybrid model for the on-demand tokenization of assets. This platform facilitates trading between crypto and off-chain traditional assets such as stocks and ETFs. This institutional-grade offering is designed for RIAs, brokerage houses, family offices, banks, and other financial institutions looking to tokenize real-world assets for their client. Learn more at www.sologenic.com. So the XLS-39, the clawback feature. What's your opinions, my people, on the clawback feature? What's your opinions? A lot more to learn on how this is going to work. Because if they're saying like that a country might need to do a clawback, or there's institutions might need to do a clawback, does it go to court first for the court to allow the clawback to happen? Or do they just do the clawback Who says that they can do the clawback? Does it have to go to court? Is it something that has to be dealt with in the court of law? This one here, there's a lot to speak about on this one here, because there's benefits to it, but there's also disadvantages to it. You know, if they send the wrong tokens to the wrong place, they might need to do a clawback. Or if they send the wrong issued assets to the wrong place, they might need to do a clawback. But can they claw it back straight away? Or does it have to go to court? If it has to go to court, the person who they've sent these assets to by accident could have got rid of it, could have got rid of the assets by the time it goes to court and sold it on for a profit. So there's benefits, there's disadvantages. There's a lot to talk about when it comes to XLS-39, but the big institutions are going to need it as a form of security for themselves. So something to go over. The XRPL clawback feature, a game changer for institutional investors. So Digital Pound Foundation posted, PetroChina acquired a whopping 1 million barrels of crude oil through the Shanghai Petroleum and Natural Gas Exchange, SHPGX, settled using China's central bank digital currency. So Digital Pound Foundation, PetroChina marks a milestone with international crude oil trade via digital Yuan. This is big business. Let's get into this one, my people. In a historic move that showcases the evolving landscape of international trade and finance, PetroChina, a leading Chinese oil and gas firm, completed its first international crude oil transaction using the digital yuan. This pioneering transaction was highlighted in a report by China Daily on Saturday. PetroChina, stepping up into uncharted territories, acquired a whopping 1 million barrels of crude oil through the Shanghai Petroleum and Natural Gas Exchange. This deal was settled using China's central bank digital currency CBDC, the ECNY, or more colloquially known, the Digital Yuan, on 18th of October. While the specifics around the value of this landmark deal and the identity of the seller remain undisclosed by SHPGX, its implications reverberate far and wide in the global financial arena. While PetroChina's foray into digital settlements may seem like a standalone event, it is part of a broader strategy by the Chinese government. The world's second largest economy is keen on elevating the global standing of its native currency, the renminbi, leveraging the ECNY to finalize purchases of significant global commodities such as crude oil is a calculated move. This tactic underscores China's intention to magnify the international reach and influence of its currency, a move that, if successful, can shift the dynamics of global trade. China's trailblazing strides in the realm of CBDCs is well documented. While the majority of the world's economic powerhouses are in the exploratory or nascent stages of CBDC development, China endeavors stand out both in ambition and execution. A testament to this is the 1.8 trillion yuan worth of transactions conducted using the ECNY by the end of June. This figure, while seemingly modest, is significant as it accounts for 0.16 of the physical cash in circulation. The move by PetroChina doesn't merely reflect a company's preference for a novel mode of payment. It paints the picture of a changing world order where digital currencies backed by central banks might become the norm for international trade. If major commodities like crude oil begin to see more transaction in CBDCs, it could alter the traditional dominance of currencies like the US dollar in global trade settlements. Furthermore, China's readiness and willingness to employ the ECNY on such a grand scale may serve as a cue for other nations. It underscores the importance of accelerating their CBDC development to maintain a competitive edge in the evolving world of international finance. This is big, my people, because they're not just talking about it, they're executing, they're showing and proving. So more countries will follow. So this is what's happening. This is what's going on. The China, remember China, the BRICS, it's all intertwined. So PetroChina marks a milestone with international crude oil trade with digital yuan. So crypto bubbles, Hex down minus 16.6%, Gala down minus 10.5%, Floki up 25.7%, Neo up 11.9%, Arbitrum down minus 6%, XLM down minus 2.7%, HBAR down minus 4.5%, crypto bubbles. And for the traders, Liquidation Heatmap, total liquidations in the last 24 hours, 121.62 million wrecked, 85.15 million out of those that went long, and 36.47 million out of those that went short. So my people, appreciate you all for the love and support of the channel. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share the video for me. I'm Soloscrooge with the Solo News. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
Money on my mind, I need the M fast. Got the drop at 8, then read that by 10 past. They said he who laughs first won't get the end last.